Ahora vamos a decir el producto que estuvimos utilizando arriba. Hoy estoy utilizando en esta casa cosas diferentes. Armstrong Flooring Hardwood Floor. Citrus fresh, ready to use refill. No streaks, no residue. Armstrong Flooring. You can also use Bona or any kind of product. The key, I'm gonna show you exactly what is the secret, okay? It's not the brand, it's the ingredients, okay? So you have to check in each product what are the ingredients. So you can go to Lowe's or Home Depot, look for the product Armstrong. It's really good. Check the ingredients and compare with Bona. Doesn't matter if that's ABC brand. The key is to have the same ingredients. And one of those ingredients is alcohol. So it will dry faster and won't have any kind of streaks. Carlos is gonna do right now the outside windows, especially this room. He already finished to do the blinds. He already did the blinds. Hilda finished. The bathroom, the cabinets. Oh, he cannot close that. Beautiful. No fingerprints. Nothing. Okay, so that's the secret, okay? Check it out for the ingredients. Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, I have to receive this phone call, okay? Bye.